What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Gill coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the Nike ESC tee. Now, before we get into the review, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Now for starters, I got a size large, and this is probably the only size large piece I own in my collection, and it fits me perfect. I'm 6'3", 220 pounds. This fits me good. They only go up to an XL in the ESC line, which is Nike's Every Stitch Considered. Now, to get it out of the way, this retailed at $240. Super expensive, and the materials are nice, but I don't know about $240. It's like a see-through. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that on the camera, but it's like a very thin shirt, and breathability on it is, I guess you say, really good. I don't know if that helps you guys, but this is a very thin shirt. And actually, I haven't even worn this yet. I really don't know what I would wear this to. Like, it's almost like a workout shirt. So it's like, do I work out in it? I don't know if I really would pull out. I guess it is just a black tee, so I guess you could, pull out in it. Man, dropped it. It's also, like the shorts, a freaking dust magnet. Like, this shit catches dust very easily. I'm always lensing it and I've never worn it. Yeah, that's all in the back. Now, for starters, this is just a cotton tee. Nothing really crazy about the materials. It does have like a little more visible breathability right on the armpits. I don't know if you guys see that. Like, starts in the armpits and kind of goes down a little bit more. But right here, it's like a jersey. But then the shirt itself is already like very breathable. And it has like pretty interesting ends to the shirt as well. Like, you could tell that this shirt is made very nicely, and the stitching and everything is really good on it. And it has like the little holes right here that are perfect on each one of them. But for $240, it's kind of expected. I do think it's dope that Nike does stuff like this. I think it's cool that they try to venture out. On the website, I believe it said where design meets athletic performance. Just kind of cheesy, but it's cool that they do stuff like that. And I like that they bring products like this, and it's very unique. It also has your standard Nike ESC tag right here. It just has Every Stitch Considered. They like throw words. They throw letters backwards on it. I don't know why, but they do. Then just black tag, and then they don't put a normal tag on here. They do a little pin and they put it onto the Nike tag, which is pretty smart because you'd be pissed if you ripped it because of those little plastic ones. This is also made in Italy, which is super dope. I don't know why I'm like struggling. The shirt is like so thin. And actually, a little correction, it's made up of 70% cotton and 30% silk. It is a very soft t-shirt, and it's very comfortable. I have tried it on. I just haven't really worn it out anywhere. You also can't even see the little Nike swoosh on here. It's on this side. I'll get you guys up close, but it's like very small, like all the Every Stitch Considered pieces. It's like very tiny, and they do nothing distinctive to really show it. Just like a little embroidered Nike swoosh. This piece was obviously made in Italy. And you can tell that Nike did take their time, and they made a very interesting piece, but the price point, I just don't feel like it's justified. If you guys look through their whole collection, you're seeing that they're coming out with like a lot more stuff. And I would like to get some more products. I own currently 5 of them. But it's just like, some of this stuff is just really not worth it. You know, I switched over from a designer brand. I will tell you, designer fits way worse than Nike. Like, Nike's really good with their fitting. And for the most part, all their stuff fits pretty much the same. Like, if I wear an XL in this, I'm typically gonna wear an XL on most Nike products. And that's one thing with designer, it was all over. And I really like that Nike keeps like a good control of that and has like a good, I guess has a good standard sizing, which is really helpful for me. As being a little bigger guy, it's hard for me to find pieces, and like, you find a Gucci hoodie that's a triple XL and it fits me in the arms, but it's still short in like my stomach area. So it's like super weird. And I like that they did that, but $240, I'm gonna be real with you guys. Not really worth it. I think you may be able to find it cheaper. I know it's still on the website right now. You may be able to buy one on eBay, or you may be able to buy one on Grailed or something like that. But for right now, I think these are gonna be sitting at $240, unless they start just kind of backdooring them or they go on sale, which I haven't seen the shirt go on sale yet. And I believe they have 3 different colorways as well. And I don't know if I could justify getting the white one for 240 bucks. I think the black one was enough. And I just don't know if the product was really worth 240 to me. It is a very nice t-shirt. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but it's not worth it. So thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I'll be doing a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. I'm out.